Greetings and salutations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to C-Rad. Today we're giving you an up-close look at the Chopper Interactive Remote Control Astromech Droid. So stay tuned.
C-Rad.
Hi, everybody! Well, hello, everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. We've got the new Chopper Interactive Remote Control Droid, and we're going to take him out of the box, show you how to use him, kind of play around with him, and of course rate him on our scale of totally bad to totally rad. So Fisher, he's really heavy. I'm gonna have to set you to the side for a little bit. You good with that?
I'm good with that.
Alright, little man. Boop. We will see you in a little bit. So, Chopper, he is the droid from the Ahsoka series and from Star Wars Rebels. And yes, there is a remote control version of him. There was one that they were selling in the Disney parks, but I think this is the first time he's been on Shop Disney. And he is really super cool, really super heavy. But yeah, let's get Chopper out of the box to start with so I can give you an up-close look at his details, and then we'll go play with him. Okay, you ready? So here he is out of the box, guys. He is so super cute. He's got his little wheel here. It's really cool. But look at the details on him. His dome does move, so when you're controlling him, you can make the dome move. His arms don't move, but they move. They just don't move with the remote. But you can also take the arms out if you don't want his little side arms on him. This front arm here, that can also come out and be positioned in different ways. The side arms do come out really super easy, as you can see. So getting him back in there, you just gotta make sure he's in there really super good. And then yeah, you can do different positions with his arm and make him in different poses. And then of course he comes with the remote. And on the remote you can go backwards, forwards, make him do different sounds, different expressions. And he does have lights also. He takes 6 AA batteries for the droid part. There's a little compartment in the back. He does come with the batteries, but if you ever need to replace them, you'd replace them on the back side there. And then the remote also takes batteries, but it only takes 2 AAA batteries, which you can replace here. So the first most important thing you need to do is pair your droid, which if you saw my R2-D2 video, I kind of showed you how to do it on that, but we're gonna show you here with Chopper. So underneath Chopper, another important thing before you actually start playing around with him, you want to take his legs and snap him back. Because if you don't, he probably won't roll the correct way. So once you do that, if you look underside him, he's got an on-off switch and he's got a button here. You want to slide the on-off switch to the on position. And then you want to press this button and hold it down until the LED light blinks. There it goes, it's ready to pair. And then on the remote, I'm going to have to put Chopper down here for a second. You're going to leave that in the off position, and you're going to press the up button and the little accessory button next to it. Until it pairs. I'm having a heck of a time getting it to pair here, guys. So hopefully it does so soon. Am I pressing the wrong buttons? I might be pressing the wrong buttons. Let's see. No, that's the ones it says to press on the thing. And it's not pairing, so I always have to go back and then hit the button again. It's blinking. And then I'm hitting both of these. This is in the off position. And it just does not want to pair for me, guys. Okay, I got it figured out. I missed a step there. See, the glasses are on top of my head, not on my face like they should be when reading it. So let's try this again. So we are going to push this button until the LED light blinks. And then you actually gotta lay it down again, Chopper, because I need 3 hands for this. Push these 2 buttons as you slide this to the on position. And there is Chopper. He has come to life for us. Just slide your legs back here for a minute, Chopper, just so we can hold you a little bit better. So once you have him paired, you can use the remote. He goes forwards, backwards, makes sounds. No. You can see the lights on his face. And then he's got directional buttons as well. And then you can control his dome also. So the dome one is one big button, but you have to press the sides of it. Oh, sorry. So, very, very super cute, but you know, it's all fun and games sitting here holding him and playing with him. Let's go play with him out in the other room. So he moves backwards and forwards really good. And do circles on both sides. Turn while he's moving. He's getting closer for a second. Of course his dome moves. Makes noises. And let's come a little closer, dude.
The cats love him.
Look at that.
The cats love him.
Cats do love him. Conrad's here helping us. Uh-oh. Think Chopper's afraid of the cats? He is very snarky, isn't he? Really, really super cool. I like him. He's got personality. Cats like him.
I can talk. Skills about got bored.
The one button, the top plus button, this one right here, says it's supposed to change his expression, but when I push it, it doesn't really do anything. That's the bottom button. That's the sound and the dome. Maybe it changes what sounds he makes when you push the sound button. I'll have to do a little bit more research on that. But Chopper is a snarky little dude with attitude, and we love that. So how super fun is he, guys? Really, really cute. He does have 2 doors in the front of him, and this one opens up and it just has droid parts inside. But this one, when you open it up, there's a spot in there for the personality chips that they sell. So if you want to make them a dark side droid or a light side droid, or there's all kinds of different options. And there's some people who even customize their own. So you can do that with this droid as well. Just remember, when you go to use them, his legs have to go back, and then his feet here, they have to click forward. So he sits on the floor the right way to roll around. That's the one thing that we had trouble figuring out with R2, and then Conrad figured it out. So I remembered it from that. But super cute. This is available on Shop Disney. Cost on him is $99.99, which is about pretty standard for one of their Astromech droids. I think R2 was about that same price. And of course, rating him on our scale of totally bad to totally rad. He's totally rad, guys. He's so stinking cute. I love it. And a lot of good weight to him. I do love my other little chopper, the Chatterback one that I got, and I think I'm actually taking him to Disney with me. Not you, dude. I'm not carrying you around all day. It's bad enough carrying Fisher. You're like twice his weight. Super heavy. Super, super well made, and yeah. These droids are just, they're always totally rad. But what do you think of Chopper, guys? Let me know in the comments below. If I forgot to cover something on him and have a question about him, you can ask me that in the comments as well. And if I can't answer, I will find the answer for you. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, Chopper? We'll see ya later.